What's up, everybody? We're back for another video for the investors of the new generation. you know, hey, mind on your money, money on your mind. But hey, remember, it's not all about money, but hey, it's about being comfortable. It's about living life and being able to help others. Hey, it says be the lender, not the borrower. So hey, I want to be able to lend instead of having to borrow from other banks or having to borrow. So it says that being literally enough to borrow. So hey, we're going to be talking about today a little more advanced things like I got crowdfunding, IRAs with the banks, or you could do professional. Uh, you can use professional financial advisors. So hey, it's your decision. We'll talk about those three for the investors who want to get started, who has already got their bank account. You got your bank account already. You got your credit monitoring, and you already done been saving, maybe even investing already. But hey, it's other ideas, other options. So we're going to get into some of that today. All right. So what is crowdfunding? Crowdfunding is crowdfunding. So it's when a group of people come together and they're able to purchase or be involved in stocks, real estate, bonds, or whatever it may have be, and they can put their money together, invest, and then they in return get their dividends and they get their appreciation versus having to purchase large volumes like the hedge funds do or corporations do. They're on a whole nother uh, category when it comes to investors. And you will learn that. Hey, they would say, okay, I want to invest in this. I want to get this. They say, okay, boom, you got to at least buy at least 500 shares off top to get it. So hey, 500 shares, each share costs 300. Or some like Amazon now is over 3,000 a share. So you want to buy 500 shares of Amazon at 3,000. So hey, that's what the corporations do. That's what they do. But so crowdfunding allow us the 99% to get involved with some of the investing in some of the returns. And so just like recently they had the whole GameStop with Reddit, some people made some money. If you got in early, you made some money off of Robinhood, Stash, these different crowdfunding apps. Hey, people made money. Hey, if you're wise and know how to do your cards, you can make money. Day traders made money, but crowdfunding is a way. There are different apps that you can start with. Just do your own research. Hey, for crowdfunding apps, I've mentioned two of them. I mentioned Stash. I mentioned Robinhood. Those are the popular ones. There are many more. Just do your research, see what fees they charge, and hey, you can start investing with $5, and they'll give you money to invest if you refer people. So hey, crowdfunding. Next are banks, IRAs. So once you get your bank opened up, hey, tell them you want an IRA, which is a traditional Roth, a Roth IRA where you have the tax benefits. Or you could do traditional, whichever best suits your needs. So do your research. And remember, everyone, hey, whatever I'm telling you, do your own research. Hey, because hey, it's nothing better than your own research. You have your own confidence and your own knowledge in what you're getting. So hey, banks, IRAs could be good. They have a maximum you can qualify to give per year. I think maybe like at 6,000 now. So you can give up to 6,000 tax free uh, savings a year, and boom, bank IRAs. And there are other ways to get in the IRA, but do your research. bank IRAs, or the next one is going to be to the professionals. You go to your professional brokerage firms, Charles Schwab, Vanguards, Fidelities, whichever one you can. There's many of them. Go there, tell them, hey, I got such and such. I want to start investing in mutual funds. I want to start investing in the Nasdaq, stocks, bonds, and there are many you can use. But remember, they're going to charge a lot of. They're going to charge more fees. But hey, they're there to monitor it, hey, adjust where this, just here or just there, so they can make sure that you getting the best bang for your buck. You got to be able to trust them with your money, versus the crowdfunding. If you have a Robinhood or Stash and you say, okay, I want this amount in here in a Tesla right now. I want this much in Tesla. Then Tesla go up. Tesla share go up about 10%, 20%, and then you make a little money. With the crowdfunding app, Stash, Robinhood, you can withdraw that money right then, like transfer to your bank account or to a card they may have attached, and then boom, you have money that you've made right then. With the professionals, you got to call them, tell them, hey, I would like to transfer this, which could take days because they're in control of it. With the crowdfunding, you're in control of your cash and stashes. Okay, so the professionals charge more. It may be a little more safer for people who have no clue about investing or stocks, bonds, or saving, investing. So if that suits your needs, you may need a professional to help you invest, or financial advisors or someone like that. And I have a bonus for everyone. Cryptocurrency is being a beast. It's being a beast right now. Hey, if you're not in on the crypto, hey, you might still have a chance. There's being more and more every day being created. But hey, Bitcoin is now at, my last check was at 56,000, over $56,000. When I first got on the bandwagon, it was about at 10,000. So hey, Bitcoin is good. A lot of other cryptos are good, but do your research. For those, I use Coinbase. There are others you could use. Perfect Money. It's different ones. Just Google buy Bitcoin, buy cryptocurrencies. Now, Bitcoin and cryptos, now they're up there. They're saying on the level with up there with gold. So hey, it's up there with gold. So hey, give you some crypto. It's going to the whole new digital age with the whole money, crypto, the decentralized banking. Hey, do your research. That's your bonus for finishing in on this video at the end. Hey, a lot of my videos, I'm gonna have a bonus toward the end for y'all can get the goods. So hey, if you don't want to get the meat and potatoes, hey, you stick around for the bonus, hey, you will be enlightened. So yeah, cryptocurrency, that's where it's at too. Get in on that. It's the same way as the other crowdfunding apps. Some of them you can purchase $5, $10 worth of crypto at a time, and you can be able to make massive gains. Before Tesla purchased their one over $1 billion worth of Bitcoin, it was at like about 30,000. When they purchased their shares, their coins, it went up to over 40,000 in the next day, a couple hours. Then now, of course, it's steady going up. So hey, who knows where it may end? If you get some now at 56, hey, in 2 weeks it could be at 100,000, and you've made over 100% of your money back. So hey, hit like, subscribe. Hey, check us out. We in this thing. knowledge, growth mindset. Hey, high value, get it in.